Okay, this is my Honda 400 EX. Completely rebuilt engine. Got an FMF pipe on it. You can see start it up. And there she is. Thanks for watching.